Hello, space explorers. Welcome back to Discover with Momina, where we uncover the mysteries of the universe. Today, we're talking about Pluto, once the 9th planet of our solar system, but now a dwarf planet. Many still wonder why Pluto was demoted. Was it unfair, or did science just get better? Let's find out. Why was Pluto demoted? In 2006, the International Astronomical Union, IAU, redefined what a planet is. A planet must orbit the Sun, be round in shape, and have cleared its orbit by being the dominant object in its path. Pluto follows the first two rules but fails the third because it shares its orbit with other icy bodies in the Kuiper Belt. This is why it was reclassified as a dwarf planet rather than a full-fledged planet. What led to this change? The biggest reason for Pluto's demotion was the discovery of Eris in 2005. Eris is slightly smaller but more massive than Pluto. If Pluto remained a planet, then Eris and many other objects in the Kuiper Belt, like Haumea and Makemake, would also need to be classified as planets. To keep things simple, scientists introduced the dwarf planet category and placed Pluto in it. Pluto's fascinating features. Although Pluto is not a planet, it is still one of the most mysterious worlds in our solar system. NASA's New Horizons mission revealed that Pluto has ice mountains, nitrogen plains, and even a possible underground ocean. Its thin atmosphere expands and collapses as it moves around the Sun, showing that Pluto is an active and changing world. Will Pluto be a planet again? The debate isn't over. Some scientists argue that Pluto should still be considered a planet because of its complex geology and atmosphere. If the definition changes in the future, Pluto might regain its planetary status. But for now, it remains one of the most famous dwarf planets in the solar system. Conclusion. Pluto may not be a planet, but it is still an incredible world. Science keeps evolving, and who knows, maybe one day Pluto will be a planet again. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Discover with Momina for more space mysteries. See you next time, space explorers.